Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu. This is Shifu JJ. Today lesson, I'm so excited to present you the long fist combo. So let's just show you what we're going to learn. Learning this combo. Ready? Okay, so this is a few moves. First move called hammer. So let's follow me to get hammer. So what is a hammer? Open your both arms straight. So left hand go this way straight. Directions go this side and all the way big circle. And your right hand become fist and go attach your ear. And you go knee lift your right and toe point and your hand like hammer and go down like this way and same time and your both feet go down with the power. So this move called hammer. So we're learning a move, not just about we're learning a move. Also intention is there and we want to make this move as strong as possible with the speed and power and the quality, right? So just follow me. So the first move, if you want to do this this quick and powerful, so need over again training. Let's start the first step. Your left hand, you see, circle. Just relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, just doing this. So once you relax, but doesn't mean your hand is relaxed. So your fingers and this is the palm. See, this is the power, but this is relaxed. So that's how you go, right? So do first move, go foo. So you got speed, relax, strong, right? So 1, and after you say your right hand is the fist, and you go touch your ear, but you're gonna trace to this direction. So you say 1, 2, that's the second move. Your arms straight, right? Like this, and touch your ear. So that's the goal. And after, and you got to make that strong hammer. Before that, knee lift. So 1, 2, you say straight, knee lift, and boom. And also this is power. How powerful once your both feet boom together, and then also your hand. So that's this over again. We can't just separate this one. Straight, right? Get it up and straight and up and you lift. Go straight. Yeah, that's really powerful. It's a little painful right this side, right? So this is the face. You go this over again. It hurts. It hurts, but that's the way to practice and make you tough. A lot of people say, hey, in long fist, in wushu, there's no intention. What for fight? And there is intention for every move. That's how martial arts start. We go the competition and performance. We're losing a little bit the intention and for fighting how we use it. But actually everything, if you're training with power, you can use it. But depends the situation, right? So this one can be a blocking move. If your arm go down, someone punch you, you go boom, you can block, right? And this, you can also grappling. Why not? So you go blocking and you grappling, and this hand is a hammer hand. You can really go on top of someone's arm, and you broken the arm. It's simply like that. So it's nothing really set. You have to exactly form like, whoo, ready? You go punch me, I'll go punch you back. Doesn't work like that way. But you're learning your fifth move. For example, you go 1, 2, 3. Your number 3 is kicking, but someone coming to you and maybe the kicking is first. And then you go punch. Why not? Why not? Okay, so after the hammer fist, remember, over again, power, power. The timing is very important. This with your feet is same time. Over again to make your fist very, very strong. So now we go to the next one. So after the hammer, straight. After quick step, and you go punch your right with your ball stance and punch left. Okay, so these two moves we maybe already learning before for the punches. This is vertical punch. So both hand on your waist like vertical. Vertical is this way and not this way, simply, right? So from your waist, you got punch. You say vertical 1 and vertical and 2, right? So repeatedly to make strong as possible. As I said, never just saying, oh, I know, I'm already learning my move. I know how to punch. You can punch 1,000 times, but no intention, no power. How this is real and you can really use it. So a lot of people always apply whatever you're learning, you say, oh, this can be fight, this cannot be fight. How will you know this is not gonna be fight? How will you know this can be for fight? If you look, if you look all the competition and people are knockout, yes, they are simply to training the arts with their rule. But we training wushu and kung fu, we have our rules. We have both sides. So now we're learning the tao lu, the form, how to use it. So don't forget the intention is first. The same thing you do boxing, you go and punch someone's face, and you clearly say someone right there. If you don't punch them, they punch you back. It's that simple. But in form, sometimes we lost because we don't have a partner. We don't have people fight with us, so we forgot. But always put your intention. So there is the person or is something, right? So punch and punch, right? Always put that way. You always have powerful punch with your intention, right? So now back to the vertical punch. So slow motion, slow, straight, punch straight, right? Shoulder down, because always the shoulder is the first thing. If you're too tight, always that's really look not right, right? Your shoulder go down, relax. Actually, you can shoot faster punch, and your face has to be flat and strong. So you go shot and go shot, go shot, go shot. Go shot. So over again you practice, you will be getting stronger, right? Okay, so now talk about the stances with both punch. So very important to get this. So after hammer, right? So once you step, you go punch right. You say how my heels, boom, and the wrist. That's go boom. That's giving you a lot of power. And same thing go this way and go 1 and 2, power 3 and 4. So that's over again how you can to make this move strong. So keep training. So now let's say hammer and both punch. How to connect? So you go hammer, go this way, stop, power, and step your left, go punch, right? Great. And over again, we need to getting better speed and better power, better focus, better intention for this training. So let's do 3 times with me. So 1, 2, power, go start, 1, 2. That is great. One more time, more speed, more power. Go up, 1, go, shot. Better. One more, full power, full speed. Go up, da. That's all you need. Keep up. Hey. Go, hammer, shot. After this, your hand go, come back, the elbow. Alright, so now we talk about the elbow. Shot. The intention, of course, clearly use this part, the bone part, very hard and strong, can hurt people very bad. Put it in your head, attack. That's how you go back. And actually, your right arm to go first, go this, and your body lean more this way, because you can reach your target, right? Right there. And your left hand actually to helping say, to go this, in short, this is the power enough. So you go, over again, go, training, go, attack, elbow. Great work. All right. So now you say how to connect with punch, strong, right? You say palm, and this is the face. You go elbow. That's the same time your left hand to come back with your hand. So your body lean this way. You get more power. You punch someone away. You go elbow, come back, or punch, and you come back. You see your body also waves. Looking is great. Also the beauty part of Chinese martial arts. The look so good, awesome, but also powerful, right? Put your intention as well, very important. Hey, my friend, that is great work. So I hope you feel the power, the passion if you're doing it. It's just make you happier, make you younger, make you stronger. Why not? So keep training. So now we do 3 times for this part of a long face. We do 1 time slow, and 2nd time faster, and last time give full power you have. And after that, a lot of people ask me how many days, how many times I should to practice. I said, you have to practice as much as possible with your limit, right? With this short video, you get a few times to go with me, but after you can repeat and set your own plan. You're writing 20 times for my whole routine, for the fight, for the forms. And after, and you can do again. So your goal is a 5 side for 20 punches. That's great, all right? Right, so get ready. So 1, big circle, arm straight, face, touch your ear, toe point, knee lift. You go 1, great, and you step your left, and you punch right, vertical, and you punch left vertical, and your left hand become palm, and come back with your face and attack same time, and this one also push. So that's the power you say. 1, 2, and shuai. Great. Let's do one more time. Get ready. And 1, 2, shuai. Go 1, 2, power. That's great. One last time. Let's do this. Ready. Go 1, 2, shuai. 1, 2, hey. Whew, that's a great work. So that's all for today. Combo of a long face. So I see you in next video. I love you all and bye bye.